This is a small business you can start to earn a lot. Zobo production. You don't need a lot of huge capital before you start this business. Here are your ingredients: your zobo leaf, pineapple bark, or cucumber, or orange, whichever. You can actually even mix pineapple, orange, and whatsoever you have with your pepper. It's actually useful. I didn't use pineapple bark. I used only pineapple bark because the quantity I'm making was so small. If it was for larger, audience, I would have used those. Ginger, that's ginger. The cloves, yeah. You can just go to a store nearby, or those people selling zobo leaves. Just tell them, give me the full ingredients in preparing zobo, and they would actually give you. Okay, so more reason why I'm doing this video is to show you that, or tell you that, you don't need luxury, you don't need huge investment, huge capital before you can actually get this done. When it boils, you sieve out the water and add your sweeteners. Then your zobo is ready. This is mine. This is my beautiful branded zobo. The plastics are available at plastic stores, and the sticker, you can meet anybody making sticker to make affordable ones for you. So this is my own product. Buy, patronize me. I also made bean flour alongside. So bean flour is for making moi moi and akara and other things, while the zobo, you just learned how to do it. Like, share, and subscribe.